Hi, I'm Kimberly, and I'll be your guide during this tutorial. Are you ready? Let me ask you a question. Are you one of those people who always dream of having your own store? If you answered yes, then this is the right time for you to explore this opportunity and start building your store. By the way, we are not actually going to build a store in your neighborhood. We are going digital. How will we do that? Well, we are going to use Printful. It is an online drop shipping and custom printing fulfillment service. They take care of printing, quality control, and shipping. The first thing that you must do is to create a Printful account. With this account you will be able to access your account dashboard and start working on your store. You can reach the Printful website by clicking on the link provided in the description. Now the actual work begins. Did you think that you can start running your store as soon as you have your Printful account? Even before you set up your store, you need to decide on your niche market first. When you have chosen your niche, then you can set up your store using your choice of e-commerce platform or online marketplace. You can refer to the payment platforms comparison page available on the Printful website for more details. Awesome! Now that you have your store, you can start designing your graphics and start adding products to your store. Remember to keep your niche market in mind while creating your designs. Okay, now that you have added your design to a product of your choice, you can start adding this product to your store. You can push your product to your store automatically or manually, depending on the type of payment platform that you have chosen. Next, you can put a price on your product. Keep in mind that the price of the product includes mainly two factors. The retail price is the price that you offer to your customers, and this price is displayed along with your product. The other is the Printful price, which is the share that Printful takes in exchange for its services. Now to bring this price into effect, you must set up a system for your customers to make payments when they want to buy your products. This system will also allow Printful to access their share of the payment so that they can fulfill your customers' orders on time. Now that you have everything in place, the next step is to order a sample of your product, as this will give you an idea of the quality and the service attached, so that you can start promoting it to your customers with confidence. Start promoting your store on social media, as well as other digital and non-digital platforms. And as more and more people become aware of your store, and the prospective buyers in your niche are able to connect with your designs, you will be able to see your store and your profits grow. That's the end of this tutorial. Now it's all up to you. And with a little hard work, perseverance and some luck, you will be able to grow in this business. Remember, to start off, click on the link provided in the description. Best of luck, my friend.